Hello friends, my name is Malishka. Welcome back to my channel called Cosmos. She is my sister
Romsha.
Today I'm going to share a very interesting kids book जिसमें बहुत सारे animals होंगे. So keep watching this video till the end. Let's unbox it. Wow! This book name is
Amazing Animal.
Let's see what's inside it.
Wow, so many animals.
Yes, there are so many animals to read. Oh, let me read the poem. Monkey swings, swing, swing. Frog hop, hop, hop. Alligator snap, snap, snap. Snake slither, zzz. Leopard roar, roar. Butterfly flaps, flap, flap. Let me ask some question from my sister. Do you see anything? Is there a monkey?
There.
Oh, she is right. So, did you see any alligator?
The alligator.
Right, she is right. Alligator is more dangerous than monkey. चलिए हम next page पे जाते हैं. Oh, there are so many cutie pie animals. आपको rabbit पसंद है?
Yes.
She likes animals. Now let me read the poem. Bear grow, grow, grow. Sea play, flip, flip. Girls fly high, they fly high. Reindeer runs, they run very faster. Hares ride, high, high. Whales swim by, they swim underwater. Now let me ask some more questions to my sister. Okay, did you see any rabbit in here?
There.
Oh, she is right. Did you see any fox in here?
There.
She is right. So, she is right in every question. So, now let's go to the next page.
Oh.
Wow, there are so many sea animals. Let me read the poem. Turtle play. He swims very fast. Seahorse swims. Oh, he's also swim. Rays go swish. The stingray go underneath the water. Dolphin laugh. Whale splash, splash, splash. Oh, there's so many animals. The book says right. So let me ask again some questions to my sister. Do you see any octopus in here?
There.
Oh, she is right again and again. Do you see any whale?
Where?
Oh, she's again right. Oh, let's go to the next page. Wow, what a nice moon. Oh, let me read the poem. Footstool. Ooh. Eagle fly high. Fly, fly.
Fly.
Bunny rabbit hops. Oh, rabbits also hop like froggies. Owls hoot, hoot, hoot. Hedgehog crawls, crawl, crawl. Sleepy little fox. Oh, he's so sleepy. So, let me ask some questions from my sister again. Okay, did you see any bunny?
There.
Oh, a little cute bunny. Did you see any owl?
Uli.
Oh, she's again right. So, we have our book finished. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा, और अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिएगा। और गाइस, अगर आपको इस बुक को बाय करना है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे लिंक है, आप उधर जाके इस बुक को बाय कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय।
बाय बाय।